Hey, if you are interested in learning about various different mindfulness exercises and the psychology required to live a good meditative life, this course is for you. In this course, I share with you various instructions that I have received from a meditation master, a forest monk, and I share with you in a very practical way how your mind works, how your thoughts work, what to do when you are overthinking, how to manage negative emotions, what kind of desires drive you. We are going to explore so many things in your life that basically you get a grip over how you want to live your life. And if you are looking for living a life which is very serene, tranquil, your emotions are not going all over the place. If you lack those skills and if you desire to live a life wherein you are just a relaxed person, a chill out person, still doing all the things you are doing in your life with great love and attention, achieving all the successes in your life, but at the same time you have this quality of a monk in you. If you want to do that, if this vision appeals you, wherein you are the most hardworking person in the world, but at the same time you have the calmness of a monk. If this vision appeals you, this course is for you. My name is Aman Verma. I am a psychologist and a practitioner of meditation from a few years. So these are very simple and very interesting observational instructions that the master gives to disciples who have renounced this world and are trying to find themselves through enlightenment. So in this course, I try to infuse those teachings with our day-to-day life, because we are not renunciants. We are practical people who are living in a practical world, and we have goals and ambitions. But sometimes those things, they just crush us. The ambition, the financial burden, the stress of relationships, the stress of health and everything. There are so many things that we need to deal with. But sometimes we find ourselves lacking in the skill to be very steady, to be very grounded in ourselves and make the right decisions. So if you want to integrate this way of living, this quality of living, this art of living in your day-to-day practical life and achieve even better results in your life, be a better person, then this course is for you. If you find this interesting, enroll in it, and I will see you in the inside.